This is the real Tom Rose, and we're dealing with a data interpretation question here. Now, this chart is showing time on the x-axis, right? And we're showing temperature on the vertical or the y-axis. Now, how do you read this chart? Well, for each data point on the chart, you can pick a point in time on the horizontal axis, follow it up. So at 12 p.m., you can read the temperature off by following this over to the vertical axis. So at 12 p.m., the temperature was about 55. At 9 a.m., the temperature was just below 50. Maybe it was 48. And that's how you read the chart. So interesting things to take away from this chart are basically we have a temperature which starts cool, rises throughout the day, and ends warm. It's maybe 75, so it ends warm. So we're looking for an answer choice which starts cool and ends warm. Well, an answer choice, and let's just check them one by one. In answer choice A, it says the sun shined brightly in the morning, then it rained. So that would be warm, then cool. And that's not right, so let's get rid of that. B says a cool morning gave way to a cool day. Okay, so we start cool till the sun came out and raised the temperature. So that would be cool to warm. And that fits, and you might be tempted to just pick B. I'm going to check the others just to be sure. A strong wind gusted in the morning, but the temperature was mild the whole day. Well, we want to show changing temperature. So that's wrong. And answer choice D says the morning was hot, but it rained and lowered the temperature. So that would be hot to cool, which is not what we want. And E says the temperature increased at a constant rate from 9 to 6. The temperature did increase. So that's good, but it didn't increase at a constant rate. If we had a constant rate, what you'd expect to see is a line. So you'd expect to see something on the chart like this. But instead we have erratic. So I'll interpret this to be, the difference is this is increased, but it was straight. Which is what we really want is increased, sort of erratic. And B is the only one that meets that criteria.